What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the E36 out at Lone Star Drift round 1. Unfortunately, we could not get my S13 out, but we got the party car out here today. We're gonna be doing Texas Street Legal Series along with Pro-Am tomorrow. The car's doing really well. We got the hydro fix from the last event, and today's the party, so let's go. The old E36 here. This is her 25th event, give or take. She's been through the ringer, but this thing lives on. It is a trooper. This was like one of my first drift cars. It's taught me so much. She's not the fastest thing in the world, but this thing gets down when it needs to. So the track, they're running like a really big entry, and then apparently just a couple corners after that. We're about to go scout it out. I'm gonna throw you guys on the GoPro. We're gonna get started.
Sunset he goes.
I know. Look at that man go.
Large man for a small scooter. Slows him down.
E36 is doing really well. We put on a fresh set of tires. We pumped the PSI all the way up to 65. I don't have enough power to clutch kick third gear, so I got to either hydro second on the wall, or I don't know. We might try third gear again. But overall, the car's doing really well. It's holding up as expected. This thing is phenomenal. I keep reiterating that. It's great. I love this thing. I'll go ahead and link a playlist to the entire build series right here if you haven't already seen it. Find out this track eats a lot of tires, so we actually run some Walmart Daddy Doug's on the E36. It's kind of a last minute deal. You go to Walmart, get a couple tires, but overall, I think we're gonna have to go with the hydro entry. We got a couple hours until competition starts for the Street Legal Series, which will be a lot of fun. I mean, kind of out here for just fun and experience. I really don't think I'm gonna go very far because she's kind of low horsepower and I'm running second, but overall it'll be good. She just keeps going. I'm literally just flat to the floor the entire track. Hydro, boom, just never let off. All right, boys, time for a little street legal. We're gonna follow first. Make it happen. IS300, he said he's pretty new, so we'll have some fun.
Two NA powered cars that are really loud, probably. Yeah, it works. And that E36 is getting aggressive. Look at that. Close the washout. Let that 360 hit the washout. And the pass.
Someone wasted their smoothie.
That's what I like to see.
No refund check on that smoothie.
This guy
Let's
definitely
see if
has
we
an
can
advantage.
or not. With the smoothie, with that milkshake.
Perfect.
Oh, with another washout. I don't like it.
All right.
Someone mop up the smoothie.
Well, next up we have David Mesker. He's good, real good. I'm outpowered, but we're gonna go for it, boys.
They send it, Mesker and Jonathan Pride.
So
Let's see how this goes this time.
David Mesker is was a licensed Pro 2 drifter who did a few events, or maybe a full season, I think. I don't remember.
With the sleepy.
Z. Oh, little wide sweeper. Wow, that E36 ain't playing no games. He's not letting you get away. Oh, man.
Here we go, second run, Mesker and Jonathan Pride. Let's see how we get this back run. Really nice lead.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, it's tight. It's very tight.
It's on a perfect line, though. That was really Mesker.
Very, just like leggings.
Good job, those guys.
Very tight. And that's clean.
He got Nord.
That's good, boy. That was fun. Shoo! Wrapping up day one of Lone Star Drift. Overall went really well, had a lot of fun in the E36, and got some good competition experience, which is always fantastic. So tomorrow it's gonna be Pro-Am. We really don't have a chance of doing anything well, but we're gonna get out there, gonna have some more fun, and get some points on the board. Day two, Lone Star Drift. E36 just got its first few tire marks on the side of this car, so my buddy Jake Wise, I gave him a green light to go ahead and give it a little bit of a kiss, a little bit of a tap, and man, he absolutely lit her up. But that's what we wanted to see. I'm gonna be redoing this car someday, and like that's kind of what drifting's about. You want to get as close as you can, just give it a very little tap where it leaves the rubber but doesn't like destroy the car. And Jake is one of the best drivers out here. We're officially a drift car, the E36. Let's go do it again.
a Applebee's. Oh my god, that thing is dripped up.
Patrick has to check up.
Patty's all over him.
No. Woo! Woo!
Dang. Before the wall. Let's go. Nice wide line there. Getting all the way out to those walls. Woo!
Hey, that wasn't bad though. That was not bad.
Well, we made it back to the shop. The E36 is home safe and sound. This car did phenomenal this weekend. Didn't have a single issue with it. So to catch you guys up, last year I ran the Lone Star Drift Pro-Am Series in my S13. This car right here, it used to be black. I'm currently rebuilding it, and unfortunately we could not make it out to this first round this year. So I took the E36 out. And if you don't know how it works, if you just show up and battle, even if you lose your first battle, you still get points. So that's kind of the purpose of taking it out, having some fun and getting my points. I knew I was going to lose, but we had a good time and we got a few points on the board. I'm currently sitting in 13th place because I did so well last year in the S13. It kind of put me ahead this year, especially since I showed up with even the stock E36. A little bit outgunned out there, but we're on track. Next time I'm going to come out with the S13, going to get the engine back in. We had a little bit of a hiccup with it. The head stud snapped in the block. So S13 is going to be out next event, and we're going to come out swinging and going to try to get a few podiums this year. Also, we're going to be running the Oklahoma series as well, in either the S13 or the S14 that I'm currently building. The S14's been held up in wiring for a long time, but you'll see it here soon. It's kind of been a little secret project of mine. Came home with a little bit of a souvenir. Buddy Jake Wise gave us a few little love taps along the side, which is great. I told him, I said, you know what, have at it. We're going to rebuild the E36 one of these days. So if you haven't already, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.